So when what I also referred to already, what I would like to speak with you is, I told already a little bit earlier in this module that it's really important that we try to be who we are. The concept in communication is called congruence and incongruence. When we speak about congruence in communication, as it relates to the body language, so that is really important. It's a lot about the body language, but it's also about the tonation, the words we use, and the voice, more the melody of the voice we use. It also refers to the degree to which we use the body language, and to which degree the body language also matches the meaning, the content, and the words. We regularly place more importance on what words are used rather than how other gestures are there in the delivery of a message. So this is also very important to understand. So let's give some examples, some situations. Let's say you are an early childhood educator, and there's a parent and asking you, why do you do this? I would like you to do it different. I think that's not good for my child, all of that. And let's say you actually agree with the parent. You actually have the feeling, yeah, the parent is right. I actually would like to do it really different. But your principal or another person instructed you to do it that way, and also wants it that way, and tells you that that way is the right way. So now you have to communicate to the parent that that is the right way, but you personally don't believe that. And so that is a big problem, because it will not appear congruent. So it will cause problems, because your opposite will not just hear the words, they will also see your body language, they will hear your voice, the tonation, everything, and it's just not falling in place. You remember that maybe talking with a person, and everything sounds great what they say, but you feel something is wrong. There is something wrong, or something, you can't really say what. And this is when you feel incongruence in a person. When a person feels incongruent or is incongruent, then it doesn't match for you.